In a world of endless possibilities, one avenue stands out as a gateway to personal and professional freedom: freelancing. Welcome to The Art of Freelancing, Building Your Path to Success. I'm your host Hamza HM, and today, we're about to embark on an inspiring journey that will redefine your perspective on work and success. From graphic designers to writers, programmers to artists, freelancers come from all walks of life, united by their pursuit of passion and the desire to be their own boss. Freelancing offers a unique blend of creative freedom and professional independence. Imagine crafting your own schedule, choosing your projects, and working from anywhere in the world. No more mundane routines or rigid office hours. Freelancing empowers you to control your destiny. But, as with any journey, freelancing comes with its challenges. Navigating the freelance landscape requires a keen understanding of market trends, client expectations, and effective communication. Continuous learning and adaptability are your compass and map, helping you stay on course and thrive. Standing out in the competitive freelance world demands more than just skills; it requires a unique identity. Identify your strengths, passions, and the intersection between what you love and what the market needs. Your niche becomes your signature, setting you apart and attracting clients who resonate with your style. Time is your most valuable asset as a freelancer. Effective time management and productivity techniques are essential to balance work, personal life, and self-care. Remember, a well-rested and inspired freelancer is a creative powerhouse. Freelancing isn't without its hurdles. Isolation, feast and famine cycles, and client uncertainties can test your resilience. But with determination, perseverance, and a supportive network, you can overcome challenges and reach new heights of success. And there you have it, the art of freelancing, building your path to success. From harnessing independence and carving your niche to mastering time and overcoming challenges, freelancing is a canvas of endless opportunities. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you're ready to embrace the world of freelancing, remember, your passion, dedication, and creativity will be your greatest assets. Stay inspired, stay driven, and keep freelancing.